Welcome to English Blackboard Teachers channel and welcome to Teachers English lesson. Today we are going to look at the topic graphic materials. Let's know the section. It is part 1 in reading paper, question 1 to 8, objective questions. So you can make a choice and it is 8 marks. The common types of questions tested are advertisement, short text, data like graph, tables, charta pie, idioms, proverbs, cartoon strips or comic, notice and sign. Teacher share with you 2 simple tips to answer advertisement and short text. First, read the question to understand what you need to do. And then you read carefully the given information in the advertisement and short text to find the answer. How to answer data questions? Read the questions to understand what you need to do and then analyze specifically the given data based on the requirement of the question. How to answer cartoon strips or comic questions? First, you need to read carefully the question. What is the question asking you to do? You need to understand that. Second, you need to understand the conversation that is happening in the cartoon strip. If you don't understand, try to at least see the picture and answer. For notice and sign, you need to understand the notice and you need to get to know some common signs and their meaning. The question will normally ask what is the message that you get from the notice or what is the meaning of the sign. Okay, some guides on how to answer idioms or proverb questions. First is you need to read and get to know some common idioms or proverbs. Make a table where on the left hand side is the idioms and the right hand side of the table is the meaning of the idioms or proverbs. And second is answer past year questions. We provide some helping resources for students. We provide a help vocabulary module which has some common similes and idiom tables with their meaning. And we also provide PT3 worksheet module which has plenty of questions to practice graphic materials. That is all for today's lesson. We'll see students in the next lesson. Click on the link in the description box to get the resources. And don't forget to subscribe the channel English Blackboard Teacher to get updated on new videos.